Look at those tired spring flowers wilting on your baking hot August balcony. The air is entirely still, the concrete is radiating heat, and it is incredibly easy to assume the growing season is completely over. Most people look at this intense weather and simply give up, leaving their patio pots empty. But professional growers see this situation completely differently. They view that incredibly warm potting soil as a massive biological reactor. Today we are looking at 5 survivor flowers carrying specialized desert and tropical genetics. Planting them in August is not a compromise. It is actually returning them to their perfect temperature range. With just a few plastic pots in the late summer sun, you can engineer an explosive hanging garden that turns your balcony into the absolute center of attention. Starting our countdown at number 5 is a trailing botanical beauty that provides a striking visual contrast to the standard warm colors of late summer, the blue daze. When other common patio flowers are completely exhausted by the intense heat and humidity, blue daze treats the baking concrete of your balcony like a comforting blanket. The extremely warm soil of August encourages its root system to weave together rapidly. This quick establishment allows the plant to maintain a lush, refreshing green presence that perfectly contrasts with the glaring afternoon sun. It thrives in the exact conditions that cause other plants to collapse entirely. To understand how it handles this thermal stress so effectively, we can look at botanical research published by agricultural experts at the University of Florida. Their studies confirm that the foliage of blue daze is densely covered in a layer of microscopic protective hairs, called trichomes. This fuzzy coating serves a brilliant dual purpose for the plant. First, it acts like a biological mirror, actively reflecting harsh ultraviolet rays away from the delicate leaf tissue. Second, it traps a microscopic layer of humidity directly against the leaf surface, which drastically reduces the amount of water the plant loses through evaporation. You should boldly place this container in the sunniest spot on your balcony to fully activate this reflective shield, which gives the leaves a beautiful silvery sheen under the bright light. To get the absolute most out of your blue daze, you need to set up your containers with extreme care. This plant is visually perfect for hanging baskets or railing planter boxes, where it can spill over the edges. However, the potting soil must be amended with a very generous amount of perlite to guarantee proper aeration. While this plant loves the blazing sun, its roots require constant oxygen circulation and despise sitting in muddy dirt. You must water the container thoroughly, but always allow the top layer of soil to dry out completely before watering again. When properly cared for, it will cascade down the sides of your pots in an endless waterfall of brilliant color. As an interesting fun fact, true blue is considered one of the rarest pigments in the entire botanical world. Less than 10% of all flowering plants naturally produce authentic blue petals, making this a genuinely unique and highly prized addition to your summer display. Coming in at number 4 is a low-growing, brilliantly colored succulent known as Portulaca, or moss rose. When delicate spring flowers evaporate their internal moisture until they collapse, Portulaca treats the extreme heat of the August sun as a direct signal to start blooming aggressively. The drier and hotter the climate becomes, the more vigorously this floral carpet spreads and thrives on your patio. Its fleshy, succulent leaves act as tiny water reservoirs, holding on to hydration long after the surrounding soil has turned completely dry. The survival mechanism of Portulaca is a marvel of evolutionary biology. Modern physiological research confirms that this plant utilizes a highly specialized system called crassulation acid metabolism to survive. During the blistering heat of the day, the plant tightly closes every single pore on its leaves to lock in its water supply securely. Under severe drought conditions, it switches to a survival state, opening its pores only at night when the ambient air is cooler to collect carbon dioxide. To leverage this natural mechanism, you must intentionally let the potting soil dry out completely between your deep watering sessions. This mild, controlled drought stress is the exact biological trigger that forces the plant to push out hundreds of vivid blooms. When preparing your containers, remember that Portulaca has a very shallow and delicate root system. It performs best in shallow, wide bowl planters, rather than deep traditional pots. You should mix your standard potting soil with coarse sand or fine gravel to accurately mimic a harsh desert environment. Once established in this gritty mix, the foliage will spread rapidly, forming a dense, creeping mat of neon pink, bright yellow, and deep orange flowers that completely hide the surface of the dirt. For a captivating fun fact, Portulaca flowers are true solar trackers with incredible environmental awareness. The petals are so highly responsive to light that they will automatically fold themselves closed if a large cloud passes over to obscure the sun. They wait patiently in a closed state and then immediately burst open again the second the bright sunlight returns to your patio. Taking the third spot is an elegant and incredibly tough performer, the upright Vinca. The sweltering humidity and high temperatures of August create the ultimate nursery conditions for Vinca to surge upward. By potting this plant right now, you completely bypass the cold, wet conditions of early spring that often lead to devastating fungal root rot. Instead, the warm summer dirt helps the plant establish a deep, secure root system that sustains its glossy green foliage and brilliant 5-petaled flowers perfectly through the hottest days of the year. The resilience of this plant is widely celebrated by agricultural experts everywhere. The Texas Agricultural Extension officially recognizes Vinca as an absolute superstar of heat tolerance. The secret to this legendary endurance lies in the thick, waxy cuticle layer that heavily coats the surface of every single leaf. This biological armor acts as an incredible sealant, drastically reducing the amount of internal moisture the plant loses even when the ambient air temperature exceeds 95 degrees Fahrenheit. However, while this wax protects the leaves from dehydration, it does not protect the delicate flowers from bacterial infections. Because of this, you must exclusively water the plant directly at the soil level. Never spray water over the top of the foliage, as wet petals in a confined patio space will quickly develop fungal spotting and ruin your vibrant display. Container care for Vinca requires a deep pot to accommodate its exceptionally strong downward taproot. To keep the floral show running smoothly, apply a balanced organic liquid fertilizer once a month. This steady supply of nutrients maintains the deep, glossy green color of the leaves, providing the perfect dark background to make the bright magenta, cherry, and crisp white flowers pop visually. Here is a profound fun fact about Vinca. Beyond its beauty as a patio decoration, extracts from this modest little flower help scientists synthesize an invaluable medical compound. This specific plant derivative is widely used today in advanced chemotherapy protocols, literally helping modern medicine save countless lives around the world. Sitting comfortably at number 2 is a relentless blooming machine, the Lantana. While other plants enter a state of forced dormancy to survive the glaring sun, Lantana uses the massive thermal mass of your sun-baked plastic pots as a biological engine to continuously pump sap through its branches. The higher the temperature climbs, the faster the plant cycles through its blooming phases, resulting in an unbroken explosion of brilliant color right on your concrete balcony. It treats the hottest month of the year as its personal prime time. Lantana is physically equipped to ignore extreme heat and drought conditions. Botanical research explains that the intensely rough sandpaper texture of the Lantana foliage, combined with its high concentration of essential oils, acts as a highly effective thermal shield. The rough surface breaks up hot winds passing over the plant, significantly slowing down evaporation, while the strong aromatic oils naturally repel common summer insects. You can use the heat to your advantage by practicing a technique called deadheading. When you use scissors to snip off the old faded flower clusters under the bright sun, you send a biological signal to the plant. This prevents it from producing seeds and forces it to redirect all its energy into generating a fresh wave of buds that are even more dramatic than the last. Cultivating a stunning Lantana requires a substantial container, ideally 10 gallons or larger, because the root system is incredibly aggressive and constantly hungry. To maximize the visual impact, use a fertilizer with a higher phosphorus content. This specific nutrient will ensure the tiny individual flowers within each cluster develop the sharpest, most vibrant colors possible. As a fascinating fun fact, Lantana flowers actually use their colors to communicate directly with passing pollinators. When a flower first opens, it displays a bright yellow color to invite butterflies in for fresh nectar. Once the flower is successfully pollinated, it rapidly shifts its pigment to a deep dark red. This color change acts as a natural traffic signal, telling insects that the nectar is completely depleted and guiding them toward the newer, unpollinated flowers on the cluster. Claiming the absolute top spot as the undisputed champion of summer survival is the breathtaking Bougainvillea. The harsh temperature shock and scorching sunlight of August serve as the ultimate biological command that forces this plant to burst into color. It thrives on this intense adversity, turning a sterile, dry corner of your balcony into a spectacular Mediterranean courtyard. When other plants beg for shade, the Bougainvillea stretches toward the sun and dominates the space with an overwhelming display of vivid beauty. The science behind its legendary heat tolerance reveals a brilliant botanical deception. Plant biologists point out that the massive, vibrant splashes of color on a Bougainvillea are not actually fragile flower petals. They are genetically modified leaves known as bracts. Because they share the thick, tough cellular structure of standard foliage, these colored bracts are highly resistant to ultraviolet radiation and hot winds that would normally shred a delicate flower. To get the best display, you must practice a technique of intentional starvation. First, you must plant it in a container that feels slightly too small, deliberately restricting the root system. Second, you must withhold water until the leaves show a slight visible droop. This specific hydraulic stress is the exact trigger that commands the plant to push out thousands of brilliantly colored bracts in a desperate bid to reproduce. When you combine a tightly bound root system with strategic water deprivation, the result is an absolute explosion of color. The plant will produce cascading vines completely covered in electric purple, crimson, and bright orange, effortlessly hiding the dull, hard walls of your apartment exterior and creating a stunning focal point. To wrap up with a fun fact, the actual flowers of the Bougainvillea are surprisingly humble and incredibly easy to miss. If you look very closely into the very center of those bright, papery bracts, you will discover 3 tiny tubular white blossoms safely hidden inside. It is a genius evolutionary strategy, using a massive armor of colorful modified leaves to protect the truly fragile reproductive parts of the plant. Before we wrap up, I need to share 3 professional survival secrets for your August garden. Secret number 1 is resurrecting clearance plants. By August, most local nurseries heavily discount their summer flowers to make room for autumn crops. Grab those slightly tired-looking Lantana or Vinca pots for a fraction of the price. Simply trim off the straggly top growth, place them in fresh potting soil on your warm balcony, and watch the summer heat force the roots to explode, giving you a fully revitalized plant in just 2 weeks. Secret number 2 addresses the boiling water hazard. A fatal mistake many beginners make is spraying water directly from a balcony hose into their pots. Water left sitting inside a plastic hose under the August sun gets as hot as brewing tea and will instantly boil delicate feeder roots. You must purge the hose by spraying the old water out onto the concrete floor for at least 10 seconds until the stream feels completely cool to the touch. Secret number 3 is the shade acclimation strategy. Even though these 5 flowers are absolute heat warriors, moving them directly from a shaded nursery into 100% direct balcony, sunlight will cause severe sunburn shock. Always place your new purchases in a corner with dappled shade for the first 3 days. Once the root system acclimates to the ambient temperature, you can push the containers out into the blazing sun to start the blooming cycle safely. Summer definitely does not end in August. In fact, it just transitions into a much more intense and dramatic phase. By understanding the biology of these 5 resilient plants and utilizing these 3 professional secrets, you can turn that glaring heat into an endless supply of fuel, engineering a balcony garden overflowing with explosive color. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below, letting me know which vibrant color you are adding to your patio collection today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep following our deep dives into the art of mastering nature.